In this video, we are going to show how to grow impatiens and how to take care of the plants properly to get a lot of flowers. In our country India, impatiens blooms in the winter season. For that, we have to start the preparation from the month of October. We have bought these saplings from the local plant nursery. Look, they have already started producing the flowers. This is not a good thing. If we allow them to bloom from now, they will not produce enough flowers. We will talk about this later. For final potting, the soil mixture we are using contains 20% garden soil, 20% sand, 30% organic compost and 30% coco peat. This is a very lightweight and well-drained mixture and contains enough nutrients.
The bowl-shaped pot with an 8 to 10 inch diameter is perfect for impatiens. First, the holes of the pot are being covered with gravels so that the soil does not block them and extra water can be released. It's the time to plant the sapling. If you are using 8 inches pot, you should keep only one plant in a single pot. But if you are using larger pots, then you can keep 2 plants in one pot. Now pressing the topsoil a little and adding water fully. After final potting, these plants should be kept under partial shade for 2 to 3 days. When you find that the plants have become stable in the new soil, put them in a place where the plants get morning sunlight only. This is important. Impatiens plants should not get the direct scorching sunlight during the noon. After a few days, the plants have started to produce new branches. They have started to produce flowers also. As we were talking earlier, we will not allow that. The branches along with the buds should be trimmed periodically. In this way, the plants will grow more branches. We will stop trimming the branches and the buds by the end of November. They will start producing new buds from the end of December. The plants will be full of flowers in the month of February. Put them side by side. This arrangement will make your garden look more beautiful. Now let's talk about the fertilizers that we have used to our plants. As you have seen earlier, during the preparation of the soil mixture, we have added organic manure. Later, we used rotten mustard cake solution once in every 15 days. We have also added a chemical fertilizer to the soil once in a month that contains the nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassium in the ratio of 10:26:26. This is a great fertilizer for the flowering plants. 1 teaspoon of the fertilizer is enough for a single plant. We also used this flower booster once in a month to provide all the required vitamins. We did not find any type of insect or pest attack, but for safety, we always spray organic pesticide neem oil once in a week to all of my plants. Now let's talk about the water requirement. Impatiens loves moist soil, but you should not overwater them, and also you have to make sure that the extra water gets released. Check the topsoil of the pot before watering. Only add water when the topsoil is about to be dry. We have reached the end of the video. If you liked the bloomings, please like the video and share it with your friends. This will really help us a lot. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to get the notifications of the future uploads. Thank you. See you in the next video.